is what I call relaxing. Look at Lemonade, sleepy. Lemonade, are you comfortable, baby? Nothing bothers these cats. Lemonade. Lemonade. Okay, the lights are still out because they're working on the lines. But look at this. Look who I brushed it in the bathtub. The dark don't even stop you. What are you doing, Marshmallow? You don't even care it's dark in here, huh? Look. Hurry up, because Mom's got to go to the storage. Slurp, slurp, slurp. You gotta look for your face. Marshmallow. Aww. You got it all over your face. Hey, see, Mama, get me off the freaking camera. Good morning, y'all. I'm gonna go check on Bright Eyes. We were up with her till after 12:30 last night because that big black cat was bothering her. Bright Eyes, you here? Bright Eyes. Oh, she's not here. I'll put some food out for her. Fresh water. Anyway, let me get her some fresh water. And I'm hurting from head to toe, y'all. See that? I'm going through the nightmare closet. Anyway, I'm separating these clothes and I don't know what to do with it. I've used so many to wrap things up and pack things, and some of these clothes just, I don't have time. They've taken the Goodwill boxes away, so some of them's trash bound, I guess. I hate throwing clothes away when I know there's people out there, but I'm running out of time. My youngest son missed work today. He woke up clammy. He's sore all over. He's sick. He's worn out through these clothes, and my mom has given me stuff that I so would not wear. But I'm gonna go through these, and oh my god, I keep everything. I'm a hoarder. It's empty. There's some popcorn in here. Oh, thanks. Better not be. It won't be no good. Nah, it's cleaned out. I can use this to pack stuff now. So I'll be back in a little bit, y'all. I'm gonna go through this junk. I'm tired, y'all. I don't know if I said this earlier, but the person that was supposed to show up to help, I think I already said it, with the couch and the love seat, didn't show up. So I'm probably going to have to list the furniture. But anyway, I ran across some stuff I thought was pretty cool. Y'all remember these old beepers? You thought you were so cool, pagers. You put them in your jean pocket. You know, and someone would call a number, and then I remember when you can like put, you know, type in the numbers 07734, and when you turn it upside down it said hello. Y'all remember that? Y'all remember that, right? Then I ran across this old camera. And then, I don't know, a magazine. This is when Anna Nicole, so sad. When Anna Nicole passed away. So sad. And then I ran across this other newspaper from Pasadena Citizen, May 30th, 2006. Once again, busy author calls Pasadena home. You'll see that. That's me. That was on that book deal. Before the internet, we actually had this thing called snail mail where you would have pen pals. Anyway, I had a pen pal. This was stamped. I had a pen pal. This was stamped. Let's see here. Bucky nuts. I don't know what that is. 1984. I tried getting a hold of her years ago, but I never could find her. Okay, I was in the bedroom packing and I ran across this little box and it has some coins in it. That's a $50, $50, 1971. And it's Kennedy. Okay, what's these? If anybody knows if these things are worth anything, quarter, 1971. What's this? I can't get it focused. Sorry, y'all. Oh God, my hand looks so old. Oh, Queen Elizabeth. 1997. Huh. What's this one? I can't get it. Hang on, y'all. France, 1995. Republican. Do not ask me how I got this. I don't know if it's worth anything. Here you go. Okay, Canadian, I guess. Huh. I'm gonna have to see if these are worth anything. Alright. I am hurting from head to toe. We're still not getting no help in the move. And when I went outside to check on Bright Eyes, I see the red spot. I think something bit me. But anyway, and I'm not superstitious, so I'm opening this umbrella. Isn't that a pretty umbrella? I am Terri in circles. Woohoo! Woohoo! Hey guys. I'm not superstitious. The freaking handle just came off here. Anyway, I'm singing in the rain. Oh, whoops. Anyway, sometimes you just have to make the best of a bad freaking circumstance and keep on keeping on. Like, subscribe, click that little bell. I get it right, Grandpa? Click that little bell. And I'm really needing watch hours, y'all. So please help me get watch hours. I'm singing in the rain. Share one of my videos out. Hey, have I ever told y'all that I'm a tap dancing fool? I don't like the name fool. I'm a tap dancing genius. What, Marshmallow? You hear Marshmallow? But I love to tap dance. Check this out. And keep on keeping on. Woohoo! I'll talk to y'all later. Check this out. Oh crap, I haven't shaved lately. Ooh. Later.